So here's what I got at the Dollar Tree. I got some roses, and then I got some floral gel beads. I wanted something sparkly for the base, but this is what I got. And then the vase. So just $3 right here. Let's see what we can come up with. All right, so right now I'm just gonna pour the beads into the vase, and that's it. I'm not adding absolutely anything else to it. All right, just wiggle it around. I don't know, there's something so satisfying about seeing the beads in here. Now I'm gonna put some glitter, and this I had left over from one of Mia's projects. So I'm just gonna add a little tiny bit to the top, just so that it adds kind of like a gradient effect. So a little glittery on the top and then a liquidy on the bottom. A little bit more. Alrighty, so now you can really see like the gradient effect. It's like glittery and then liquidy at the bottom. So now I'm just gonna take a flower or a rose, and I'm just gonna pull it right out of the stem. So for this project, it's super easy because you don't even need scissors. So right now I am just kind of putting the flower back in place because the ones that I got from the Dollar Tree were a little rough. It's Valentine's Day season, so everything in the store was a little rough. So right now I'm just seeing what would be the best way to glue them into the vase. Putting some hot glue. Pretty generous amount I put here. And then I put the flower kind of looking like outside, and then the little tip of the flower is going to be pointing towards the inside, and then at the end of the project you won't even be able to see it. So let's see, I'm going to show you how it looks from the side. So that's how it's going to be looking. So I'll go ahead and put the whole process and fast forward right now because I'm just going to be repeating the same steps throughout the whole rim of the vase. Okay, so far I've only used one little thing of the flowers. So this is $1 right here. At the beginning I said $3, but it was actually $6 because I bought 3 of these. So I've used one so far, and then the vase is $1, and then the little beads were $1. I used some extra glitter from a project that I did with Mia, and this I got from Walmart just to give it a little extra sparkle, as you can see over here. This is more liquidy, and this has a little bit more sparkle. Excuse my 49ers nails. I really need to get my nails done. And the only thing that I have to do now would be to fill in the top. I was gonna do white flowers at the top, but I think I want to keep it all the same color. How cute is this so far? Alrighty, I'll show you the final result pretty soon. Alrighty, so for the top, what I did is I glued 2 flowers together. That way they're not dangling around and they are nice and neat in place. And then to end the project, I went ahead with my glue gun and I glued each flower together to themselves. That way it is nice and neat, and whenever I move it, when we're going to place the table or something like that, we can, the flowers are not going to be moving around. And here it is. How cute is this? I'm going to be using this on my dining table. And there is the final result. Alrighty, my dear, so this is the final result. This is a super cute flower arrangement that you can find for like $19.99 at like Marshall's and stores like that. And here you have it for a total of $5. And I had some extra flowers and I just put it in this vase right here. So I'm gonna get some more and then make it look a little bit better. But in here, ouch. This is how they look together. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.